how to get unbanned from Roblox game. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to get unbanned from Roblox game. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. Alright, after you open browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for Roblox support. And after you search for Roblox support, under the section of Roblox support, tap on contact us. Alright, from the Roblox support section, on the section contact us, you'll have to provide your contact information like your username, your first name, email address and confirm your email address, and on the section issue detail, you'll have to provide your issue detail like which device are you having problem on, so simply select your device like your PC, Mac, iPhone or Android, so simply select your device. Alright, after you select it, you'll have to choose the type of help category, so simply tap on that drop down, and from this section you'll have to choose for the options like moderation. Alright, after you choose for moderation, on the section subcategory tab, you can as usual choose the options like I was wrongly moderate for my behavior or the behavior of an alternate account, so simply choose this option from here. And after you choose this, on the section please describe your issue, you'll have to explain your problem briefly like you can't be able to launch the game on Roblox and you are banned from Roblox games. And after you made a request to Roblox support team, they will surely review your problem, and from that way they will provide you some guidelines or procedure to fix or get unbanned from Roblox. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.